Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft Office 2021 from Microsoft official website. This is not going to involve any product key, no license key, no subscription. It is 100% free and genuine. It is not a cracked version, and so you don't need to worry about that. And so I'll be guiding you on the steps that you need to follow in order to download this Microsoft Office 2021 and install it on your system and use it for a lifetime as long as you wish to use it. In order to do that, you first of all need to be sure that you uninstall any other Microsoft Office in your PC. You can do that by simply going to your search bar and type Control Panel. Now click on the Control Panel, and on the Control Panel click on Programs and Features. Here you see the list of programs that you've installed. You can just check from your own PC if there is any existing Microsoft Office. You can do well to uninstall it because this one is going to work perfectly well in your PC. So I think there's none in my own. I just simply close this. Now, having done that, you go over to your browser. Now, once you come over to your browser, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to type on the search bar this particular address. Now, once you type this config.office.com, you press on enter. Once you do that, you wait for it to load on your browser. You can see that this has actually loaded on my browser right now. So here you just simply scroll down, and here you're going to create a new configuration. So click on this create and wait for it to load. Now, the first thing you're going to do from here is that you're going to select the architecture of your system. How do you know the architecture of your system? You can simply minimize this and go over to this, click on this file explorer, and on the left side click on this PC. Here you can simply right click and click on properties. From here you will see the system makeup of your PC. You can see the system type 64-bit. So the system architecture of my system is 64-bit. Yours may be 32-bit. It all depends on your own. So this is how you can actually know the system architecture of your own PC. Having identified this, let's go back to this very place. Is 64-bit. So you simply scroll down, and here you have Office Suite. Click on this Office Suite, and here you're going to select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Now click on Need to Select. Now once you clicked on that, you simply scroll down, and you can see this is already selected by default. This is latest. Just leave it at this latest. Now scroll down to this app. Here you can turn apps on or off to include or exclude the one that you do not want. For instance, if I do not want this OneNote, I can just simply turn it off. Yes, you can turn off this Publisher, you can turn off this Outlook, you can turn off this OneDrive. So I will just leave it at Access, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. Once you've done that, click on Next. Here you are going to select the primary language of your Microsoft Office suite. Click here now. You can select English United States. Now, once you've done that, you also scroll down and click on Next. You just simply click on Next again, scroll down and click on Next. You can still do that and then click on next. You can just still scroll down. If you look at this very place, you know that by default it has already given it a license key. You can see this, and so that is one good thing about this. So you don't need to worry about activation. You can click on next, scroll down and also click on next. Then the moment you are done, you can just click on finish. Now once this is done, the next thing you have to do is that you click on this export. Now once you click on this export, this will appear or pop up on the interface of this particular website. Now click on this Office Open XML format. Click on it and then OK it. Here you are going to accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on this to check it and click on export. Now you can see this has downloaded. Now the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to type Office Deployment 2. Now if you've done that, just click. You can see this very first one. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to download this from here. Click on download and make sure that English is selected. Okay, so all these things, these two things have been downloaded now. So we are going to see the next thing we're going to do. So copy these two files that you've downloaded, go over to your C drive, and on the C drive you can simply open a folder or create a folder, then name it Microsoft Office. So double click to open that folder and paste those two files that you selected. Now having pasted that, you can just simply click on this Office Customization tool, right click on it. Now click on this Run as Administrator. Now you wait for it to come up. This will show up this, and you just click here to accept the Microsoft software license term and click on continue. Now select that particular folder that you created in its folder directory. It is in under this PC, then C drive, then just scroll down. You can see Microsoft Office. Now click OK. Now this has extracted the setup that we need. The next thing you are going to do is that you are going to come over to your search bar and type CMD. Having typed this CMD, you can just right click on this and run it as administrator. Now you are going to do this particular thing. Type CD space. Click on the folder that you created. You can see it is still open in my system. Just click on this to copy the file path. Once you copy the file path, you just go back to this very CMD prompt and paste it. Now this will now change it or link it to that particular folder that we've created. Press on enter. Now you can see that the directory has been changed to that particular folder that we created. Having done that, the next thing you will need to do is that you go over to your web browser and type Office Deployment 2 2021. Now having done that, you can see this second one. Click on it, and once you click on it, you wait for it to load. Just simply scroll down here. You will see this install Office LTSC 2021 by using the Office deployment tool. Just click on this. Now this will come up to this console. Simply copy this console and go over to this very place and paste it. The moment you paste it, you press your enter and wait for it to initiate. Press your enter. You can see this is already setting up a Microsoft for us. Within some few minutes, you will discover that the Microsoft will be downloaded and installed direct on your system. This may just take 2 to 5 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. You can see that it's already running on the background of my PC. You can see that. You can just simply click on this. Make sure that you can see it's already downloading. Make sure that you are connected and that your internet is very strong. Let's wait for it to finish downloading and installing on our system. Remember, this is downloading direct from Microsoft official website, and so that's why I recommend this for you. You can use it on your system without any problem. Now let's just wait for this to finish downloading. This has finished installing on our system, so you can just simply click on this, close, and let's go and see exactly what we've done. You can just type here exit. Now you've closed the command prompt. If you come over to this very start menu, you can see that it has just been installed. So let's go over to our search bar and type Word. Now you can see Word is installed. Just simply click on it and you wait for it to load. You can see accept the license agreement. You simply click on accept and click on next, and if you wish to send data is optional and all of that, you can just click on accept. And so double click on this blank document. You see there's no requirement of any product key. It did not ask us to put maybe license key and all of that. No subscription. Everything was installed perfectly well on our PC. And so this is how you can download and install Microsoft Office 2021 in your system without any product key. It is free and genuine. If you enjoyed this video, one of the ways you can support me is by subscribing to this channel so that you can get notified of when I make other videos as this in this particular channel. Thank you.